Okay, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to recover your password. Have you suddenly lost your password, you misplaced it, or you don't really know what happened, and you have been trying so hard to log in to your account, your social account, or any other account that you've created online? I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to do. So let's get to the deal. Now this is my email, and you can see my Gmail app, right? So this is applicable to both iPhone and Android. You click on your email and you go to your profile, right? So this is my profile here. Tap on the profile. Then I hope you can see manage your Google account, right? I'll tap on my here. Then you can see password manager. So I'm going to tap on password manager now. It's loading up. So you can see now these are passwords that I have. Every account that I've created using this particular email, these are the password here. Like you can literally recover every one of them here, just by clicking. Okay, let me use this one, this key.stop. This is one of the applications that I'm using, so I'm going to click here now. And you see they said I should sign in. I should confirm that this is me, so use Face ID. I'm going to use Face. Of course, I just verified my Face ID, and I hope you can see that this is the email and this is the password. So I'm not going to open it here, but as you can see from here now, I can actually copy the password that leads to this particular app that I've forgotten the password, right? Please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share. See you on